In this video, I'm going to give you one of the more powerful study tips that I've been using with my students, and I hope that you find it exceptionally helpful when approaching exams or tests. And this method is called easy, medium, hard, or EMH. And basically, what I've noticed is most people, when they approach an exam, they just go in chronological order and work their way through question 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But you don't know if the toughest question might be hiding in question 2. And so what typically will happen is someone will get that question, their heart will start racing as they realize, this is a toughie and it's for 8 marks. And then they'll just stay there and fixate on it, trying to make sure that it works out somehow and picking up as many marks as they can. And what happens is it kind of sets off a series of events. The one is that you run out of time, and that as you get through the exam and you've had a couple of these moments with tough questions, you hear your teacher say 5 minutes left or 1 minute left, and you realize, flip, I haven't even got to the last 2 questions with 27 marks in total. And then obviously that you just whiz through like crazy, but you're kicking yourself because you realize, there's some really simple, easy questions here that you could have done. And so you run out of time. The other thing is that you get to question 2 and you in stressing out, you start making silly mistakes. And so easy questions start to feel like medium questions. Medium questions feel like hard questions because you're pressurized. And so to avoid all of that, what I find is exceptionally helpful is just to look through exam very quickly and write EMH. So it takes you a few minutes. And so let's just see what it would look like really quickly. Write down the next 2 terms. That's super chilled. So I'm going to say E, determine the formula. I find that a little bit tough sometimes. Then determine which term of the pattern will have this value. Yeah, that's not too bad. I can smoke that. Then between which 2 terms, the quadratic, these ones are so tough. I'm going to say H and show that all the terms are positive. That's not too bad either. And then you'll come back and you'll just do the easy one. So 4.1, you'll answer the question, you feel confident, and you'll probably get the marks and you'll be saving time. Question 2, you've said medium, so because it's for 4 marks, just leave 8 lines. Then you come to your next easy one and you know what to do. You pick up those 4 marks, you rush on, and again, you're going to leave out 3 marks, you're going to leave out 6 lines, and the last one you'll leave out 8 lines. Then you come back to the start and you hit the next level of questions, the mediums, and you do this one, and now your brain's in a positive space, you've saved time, you're feeling good. Mediums might start to feel easy, and so you do the 2 medium questions and potentially those go well, and then you finish up on all the hard questions in your exam. The bonus of that is that having looked at it briefly, a question like this, hard one for you, your brain is still trying to work it out in the background. And so you might have sometimes had that moment in life where you have an aha moment and you realize that I don't know why, somehow I've kind of made sense of a question that was quite tough when I first looked at it. And so that's really helpful. You look at it in seconds, but your brain keeps working it out while you crack on with other questions. The other thing is, if you finish your exam, you've picked up all your marks for all the easy questions, you've done pretty well on all the mediums. Worst case, if you do run out of time and you do find the hard or the difficult questions confusing, you might not have got those right anyway because you had felt that in the beginning that they're really tough. And so to be told pens down on a question you might not have got right anyway is not the end of the world, but it sucks lemon peels if you're losing marks on questions that are actually chilled for you, but you just ran out of time. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.